G'day everyone, thanks for joining me in the Autodata Training workshop. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip on your multimeters. When you're doing your electrical testing, every now and again we'll blow a fuse on the amp meter. I'll show you a way to check the fuse without pulling the meter all apart. Simply get your lead, plug it into the volt ohm jack, turn it to resistance, get the other end of the lead and place it in the amp jack, and I should get a reading. So this one here, the fuse is okay. I'll simulate an open fuse, so I've pulled that out a little bit. If I get a reading like that, oh well, that means the fuse is blown and I have to pull the meter apart and put a new fuse in it. I can also check the milliamp fuse. I can go in there. Typically on the milliamps you do get a slight reading, as long as you don't get OL. So that was quick and easy, wasn't it? If you'd like to find out how to use your multimeter properly on all the functions, we've just finished a series on multimeter fundamentals and advanced functions. So if you'd like to learn how to use it properly, why not get an Autodata Training subscription? Thanks for joining.